All right, quick update on the Shop Apprentice's 96 Cadillac sedan Deville. He's been driving it a lot, been pretty good to him. He had to change out a starter, but I mean, it's completely transformed this young man's life.
Yeah.
How's the Caddy been treating you?
It's good other than the starter going out and then having to take everything off to put the starter on.
But did you learn something?
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. It's not an easy starter to change, right? You had to take the intake manifold off?
Intake manifold off, everything on top of it off.
Yeah.
It was pretty fun though.
See?
And when I took it off, I shook it and all the hardware in it just on the starter. The old one.
Yeah, so the starter was bad for sure.
Yeah.
Right on. He diagnosed the starter, he replaced the starter, and now he's driving it an hour and 20 minutes to his new place every day.
Yep.
Twice a day, hour and 20 minutes one way. I'm proud of you. That's pretty good. But now we got to fix some minor fuel smell going on. We'll go ahead and figure out what that is, but I could not pass this up. The Cadillac has literally transformed this young man. The Cadillac and he are one. It's got a skeleton in the back.
It was for Halloween.
For Halloween, dude, it's December.
Hey, dude, passenger seat,
Yeah.
hit that HOV lane, bro.
Yeah, hit the diamond lane. Got playing cards back there, dude. We just sharking people, pulling up in the lack with the pimp coat on. Chuck E. Cheese, dude.
That's not mine.
Let's clean all that stuff out. Hey, and you got one of the work lights back there, dude. He's stealing shop supplies.
Oh shoot.
He's got a, oh, look what I found. Oh, the good one too.
The weirdest thing.
We'll probably need this right now anyways. That piece of metal's not in there? Oh, Phil did you dirty. Threw it out. It don't smell like gas in here though. All right, man. I'm not gonna ask questions. All right, I smell a little bit of fuel. Yeah, it smells more like it's up here though. Could be coming in through the engine bay.
Yeah, new battery. Oh my gosh. Well, that's good that didn't go anywhere.
Leaving a wrench in the work bay, dude.
New
Hey,
battery,
where are your
new
keys
starter.
at, man? Let's fire this thing up real quick. Figure out where that fuel smell's coming from.
Do you want to fire it up? Because you're over there.
Yeah, on that heater box.
Look.
It's just
It's
something so you
perfect.
can have the heater on. The permanent solution is make you a new plate, but for now, that'll work.
Yeah.
Let's wipe it down with like an adhesive or something. I mean, adhesive alcohol or something like that so that actually has a chance to stick. You know, you got to get all the dust off. Did you buy that just for like to wear, or is that for an event?
It was a costume from like a year ago, and then I was like, this would really go well with the
Yeah,
Cadillac. Yeah. Okay, wait. Where's that stuff that Phil was using?
Why is there a washer just hanging off a zip tie?
Putting kill mat over the hole just as a temporary fix. And hopefully, you know, it stops leaking in the cab. I'm just pushing it down right now. Traction control isn't on and the button doesn't work, so I don't have traction control. It was easier than I thought. It wasn't that bad. When people say it's that bad, it's not. It's just kind of tedious because you have to take everything off one by one. Like you have to take all this stuff off. You have to take this off. All of this. All of it has to come off, and then the intake. And then it's just sitting right there. I watched one YouTube video and that was it. It was pretty easy. There we are. Exhaust. There's a pinhole in this AC pipe, and it runs all in here. It's right there where I put that tape. So I gotta replace that and recharge the AC. And then fix traction control, fix the cluster. That Valve cover gasket needs to be replaced. I want to clean the injectors. Change the brake fluid because it's a different color. That's like the big things. Other than that, it's all a bunch of little stuff. Like paint. Good thing I've got some in the back. Thank you for helping me. Yeah, that's a first in this car. I've got all the stuff for the oil change back here.
On the Caddy. It's a good daily driver.
It is. She needs work. Overall, she's a good daily if you want a classic car because you don't have to work on it very much. I mean, the intake manifold, that was supposed to be a hard thing and it was pretty easy. So it's a pretty good car to learn on.